Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you grow hair faster than ever, thicken hair naturally, and get long hair to the point that you will need to cut it actually, because this is speed up the hair growth naturally with very simple ingredients. You can prepare super effective remedy. The first ingredient we need is 1 egg, and crack the egg like so. We need to use the egg yolk. And add the egg yolk in a clean mixing bowl like so. Then add on it 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger powder, extracted ginger powder. Then we need instant coffee or Nescafe, and add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Then we need 1 lemon. And add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice like so, and mix well all the ingredients. Once you mix all the ingredients like so, apply it on your hair, apply it on the hair roots, and leave it on your scalp for 45 minutes, then rinse it with water. This will get you the best results, my friends. This is increase the hair density and will get you an amazing results in growing your hair super fast. Repeat this 2 times a week to get the best results ever.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.